Sanibonani babukeli nabathandi bayo TV onivuselayo uyo uprofessor CM Lukhulweni bafowethu angihambi ngedwa ngihamba nayo KP yasihlangana ngaphezulu ngamagayi ihlahla sahlanga sayidlozi kanenhliziyo zethu ziyahlangana ngithi welcome all ngithi bafowethu. Don't forget to subscribe, also to like, also to share video, also wenze lapha uthi all notification so that uprof maba life ukwazi ukubona ukwazi ukulandela KP ngithi hayi man bangene futhi.
Siyabonga prof, siyabonga sanibonani viewers Dabula TV and supporters, new subscribers, all subscribers, accidental finders, nonke welcome. Thanks prof for hosting me futhi on Dabula TV. I've seen some of the comments, but mina nawe we are best friends. Let me clarify that we are not best friends. Professor inyanga yami. Professor helped me when I was in trouble. He delivered me to where I am. Of course, sit close. Of course, I love him. He loves me. As we are not best friends. Inyanga, this school sake forever, and slangana the way we slangana our code. So just to clarify that one. Siabo, Prof. There's a problem, there's an issue. It's not a problem, but I think there's a perception of Dabula TV to Ho TV. The way we work, Tina, is we show Igubu, and then everything that is on Dabula TV or Toho TV is what is here ekhaya. Someone calls me and says, no, mthole something work prof, why on TV? And I always say, number one, I don't know everything a prof I paid, which goes back to what I was saying. Prof is not my friend. Prof inyanga. Nami mangfika la ngihamba so. With prof ganjani. I don't know everything we paid. I don't know who to nani, a mover, whatever. I know with some of the things are not even in this country. So there's so many things. So I want you to clarify with what's happening. You have things that unfortunately some of the things you cannot talk about on TV. I just want you to clarify all those things with why certain things as value on TV and on Toho TV or Dabula TV, so that people must know and then banga lwinami.
Siyabonga KP. Bathandi nabalandeli beDabula na bobalandeli beToho TV. Bafowethu kunezinto ezokuthi ungabosha izandla neenyawo uma ungaziveza. So angeke vele sikhiphe yonke information sithi ba ngoba the moment abanye abantu bayibona labantu abalwa nathi bogcina sebathi nangu la simfuna khona. So ingakho ezinye izinto siyafihla why siveza okuthile nethi ukuthi nibe knowledge ukuthi no zikhona izinto ka Prof CM Lukhulweni njengoba sekayichazile uBrakB akusi umngani wami sihlanganiswe idlozi ngoba umuntu ohlanganiswe idlozi umuntu osuke wafika enyangeni inyanga yafika yahlangana naye kwangabi difficult ukuthi ba communicate noma bahlangana emkhathini basizane ngaloko basizana ngakho. And then if friendship maybe ngasi iqala lapha akusumngani wami uyilunga ngebebe lomndeni kuphi emsamo kaLukhuleni hayi mina personal sengide BrakB namhla ngiyazikhipha asambe soshaya mabili mathathu kuphi kona ngalapha. No, mangiphuma ngeziphumela nami unokungilahlekela uBrakB angilahlekela impela ngimfune ubona ngaye ngathi udonse ngokunya vela vumbuka athi vumbu athi prof ngithi sekunjalo sisebenza. How BrakB you didn't prepare me. I need ukuthi ngikuprepare ngoba umsebenzi wakho ngoba kunabanye abantu bakhala ngokuprepare athi ngidinga nethi ungiprepare ngikwazi ukukhuluma ngoba thina into lemo ungafika ukuthi umuntu so asicabanga siphuphi sivele singena endabeni ngoba lento siphila yona. Mina ngiphila umuthi ngikhule ngomuthi ngidla umuthi one way ingakho nasesontweni bayazi ngibafihleli angithi umuntu angahamba dlana umuthi wena ma-African adla umuthi.
Yes, that's true. All right, so the question food that people also want to know is Prof ingaba indumba zakho ziyafana une-Uganda une-Mozambique unani someone was saying ukuthi no yena he suspects ukuthi Prof lana uyalapha mara makafika eMozambique ukhona lapha thakatha khona or please clarify. will I get a different type of treatment mangise Mozambique Uganda or kuphethe into strong Uganda babuza mina prof ungahlebo they asked me nami ngifanele ngibuze because so that when you answer on camera because nami I cannot answer some of the questions is there difference namandla if you say Uganda if siyakuphi and I think I know where those questions come from but I won't mention it but please clarify is there difference in terms of power esendumbeni and then do you treat certain people in certain countries for certain things and why do you do that?
Okay, Brakebi, truly speaking, bafowethu isigodlo esikhulu senkangala angisiwase Mozambique one ngwase South Africa. I'm not from Uganda two ngwase South Africa. Kuze ngiye Uganda ngiyovula isejari yingoba abantu base Uganda they came here ukuphula umthwalo for abantu ukuthi basave imali ngoba la kufuneka imali. I decided to no guys, let me open a surgery in Uganda, let me open surgery in Swaziland so that ngihafula ama cost cause people beze bazoshiya imali ngokuzwela umuntu ngoba ngumuntu nami ngiyengimuzwela umuntu hayi ukuthi umuntu wase Uganda strong obuthakathi obungale eUganda onobuthakathi obungala lalelani bathandi nabalandeli beWTV isigodlo esikhulu yilastly khona yelabuthakathi bonke bukhona khona and then eMaputo isigodlo futhi engasho ukuthi siyalingana nalesi ngamandla why because of ngithwase eMozambique angithwasanga eSouth Africa ngithwase eMamboni mina ngeke ngisho ukuthi kuphi kodwa ngathwase eMamboni ngithwase isayikhehle elingasekho ngahamba ngokuqedelela ubunyanga bami kugobela wami eZambezi ila ngivane ngenze ivideo ngikhona emarupini kaGobela and then ingako ngoba wangicela ukuthi ubunyanga bakhe ngingabuhambisi kuphela ngibuye mangasekho emhlabeni that is why I have built isigodlo eMozambique why ngisibeke eMaputo ingoba ngisibeka eMaputo is central capital city in Mozambique umuntu okuphi nakuphi uyakwazi ukufika ngoba usedrobheni and then eUganda nakhona isedrobheni why ngoba wonke umuntu uza kuphi edrobheni say emasejarini la kunayo yonke into ofuna ukuthi no la ngathi 100% yonke into ikhona kusemaputo nala and then if I going to Uganda ngiya ama appointment ukuthi abantu bababhukhile eUganda bayi10 lo uthi ufuna uhlophe lo wathi ufuna umnyamana lo wathi ufuna ibriefcase lo wathi ufuna in bese ngitsuka nalezi zinto la ngitravela nazo ngiya eUganda into ezikhona eoffice eUganda eseJarmany ama product nemithi yokugeza nalokwa.
Okay, sibonga prof for clarifying those things.
Yes, sibonge kakhulu bafowethu sithi ningakhohlwa Brakebi ukusubscribe especially ama patient ala ekhaya abangene ku WTV ngisazoyikhuluma futhi na kuTsogo so that was Brakebi umunye umfonela izolo bheke live ngibheke ku live ku Tsogo TV ngithi akusuki KB mina umuntu onelungelo ongena live ku Tsogo TV is the owner of the channel not me angeni ku live ku Tsogo TV ngingena ku live ku WTV nakhona ku live ku WTV ngikhuluma nama patient ami nabalandeli bami nalabo abangithandayo kuthi mangabe sikuphe into ngonesikhathi sokuthi ngiyablasta hayi ukuthi ngiblasta le nto nicabangayo yeblasting ngisuka ngikhuluma nezincinci zami nalabantu ukuthi bayenze lento engishoyo bese kudubuka izinto lapha bathola impumelelo bathola imisebenzi not in besihlezi la indoda le esekapa iqeda ukuhamba manje Brakebi kufona omunye indoda ithi tshela uprof ukuthi umsebenzi wami ngithole back bebayixoshe emsebenzini ngokuthi ifika idakiwe ngemistake bamfonela angazi ukuthi ustandby bamfonela bathi no ezemsebenzi uyabatshela ukuthi guys mina angilalanga ngiphuzile bathi no ungakwazi ukusebenza na athi akulala ngilalile nyana 4 hours but I think the alcohol is still in my body and then but no if you can work come wahamba emsebenzini bafika bamfuthise ekedini bamthola ukuthi no unecala udakiwe bayithatha lento bayivula icase ngaye kanti bekuyiplot kumxosha emsebenzini ngamsisi cala lakhe liphelile uyafona uthi prof angiyiphendulanga Brakebi because I was busy with the patient and then ngayenzani ngathi sakwamphindula no tell prof ukuthi I'm so grateful ngamandla akhe ngibonile umsebenzi wami I got it back sathi sibhekile nani nina abantu brakb kunabantu abafonela mina abawhatsappela mina ukuthi sisizakele prof unlocking oil isizile umuthi ososo usizile into no don't tell me khulumani ku channel ya professor niphinde mangabe kune video yami ni comment ku Tsogo TV if kune video mo comment so you are helping those ones abanganawo amandla ukuthatha uhlophe abanganawo amandla ukuthi so that they can use ama product bakwazi ukusizakala they can even use izinto eziningi and then futhi okugcina brakb kuna lesisho esithi uprof una njengoba usho ukuthi nginama favorite mina brakb mangithe 10,000 is 10,000 you can come here una 50 billion I won't change the price and then ungafika la uzongipha 100 rand angeke ngithi ngoba ngifuna 50,000 leya lapha kulowa muntu ngikuyeke ufe wena no ngiphiwe ukulapha ngiphiwe ukuphakamisa umuntu ngiphiwe ukuthi ngivule izinto zabantu se if umuntu ofayo uyangena emergency le uyapayinelwa la ngeke ngimiyeke brakb ngithi ngoba brakb nangu ufikile wena ngcono uyangazi ke kunabantu abazishaya ukuthi bangazi abangazi ngisebenza umuntu ana ngeke ngifike umuntu aphuma izibungula ngimiyeke angimiyeke ana ngithumi sakho ngithi sakho awubonelwe yamama no amandla aphiwe mina ngiyengizenzele mina ngezinyawo zandla zami ngikhiphe lezo ibunga namanje upholile umuntu kaNkuluNkulu baphola abantu asinasi special bafowethu sokuthi wena ngoba uhlala eParliament brakb kunendoda isuka manje yaseParliament le ndoda ngeke ngisho ukuthi kuphi imali yaseParliament national beyikhona sinayo la uyazi naye angimtreatanga ngufika ngobuye eParliament ngiqhuqaqhuqe no ulandela iline the way hamba ngakhona angeke afike la ngithi hayi wena ubuye eParliament wena ufuna ukusebenza ngezinto ezinzima as cross board which means nginyatha indumba yami if ngithatha abantu ngiyenza njalo which means ngithi le ndumba le I don't believe in it because mina manginomsebenzi uma ngishada brakb ngivela la namanje nje ngizothatha umunye umfazi ngiyovela angeniswa kulasa akunalelinye isango ayongena kini ungena kuphi isango la amadlozi amakuphi ala yonke into yami kuphi ila so guys no stop it lento eniyenzayo ningamoshi umuntu umoya ningamoshi ubrakb usiza nini akasiza and bengayithandi lento yakhumbula ngithe angithandi lento kuvela kuma TV ngoba inezinto eziningi and you remember it but guys thank you so much for following us. Please continue to watch TV. Inkosi Mbusisi.
Siyabonga guys. Aralule muntu asili. Just clarify some issues. Prof, siyabonga.
Siyabonga.
Thank you.